Good morning. We've got the radiator out.
Radio on?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going to get demonetized.
No, if I talk over it, it's okay. I'll just keep talking the whole time. So the pain with that is supposed to take the fan off, but we weren't able to get the bolt out. So Mick was clever and he removed the bolts so we could just slide the shroud past it. So we're checking up the car, removing the wheels. And we're going to leave the strut dangling and take the caliper off and hook that up.
Lightweight alloys.
If I put this one next to that one, is it going to be in the way, or should I put it over there or something?
Maybe next to that side.
Yeah.
Just on this side.
And then, yeah, these two big boys.
Where's the other engine going to go?
This will stay with the car.
Yeah, that's going to disconnect the crane from it.
It's a bit, have to make sure it's
Throw it out of the way and bring
tie up the caliper. What are you doing there?
Just taking off the speed sensor, so nobody knows how fast we go.
That was a joke. This is always under the speed limit.
Technically, you do need to hold the back of that spanner.
Oh.
Mine. Yeah, it's spinning.
Alright.
So it's like a
Yeah, a little flat
flatty bit.
Yeah.
No, we're not going.
Alright,
We're taking this off so we don't have to do the brakes.
taking the caliper off.
I didn't say we had to do it right now, right?
Just the inner part.
Well, we can't do it once we've sold the car.
Just get a car with Brembo brake.
Or never buy a Range Rover again.
That too.
Pop that out of there, that out of there, that out of there. That out of there, that out of there.
Do you want a busy water?
I reckon I might in just a second.
No, I'm good. I'm still going on a breakfast juice.
Turn. You see the notches? I think you get in there. Oh yeah. Oh, did you see that? Did you get that on film?
Maybe.
We can correct it in post.
Hey, we'll just do it again.
No! Oh yeah, on the other side. Alright, so we undid the bolts for the, what do you call it, transmission?
Drive shaft.
Drive shaft?
Drive shaft.
Yeah. Make sure you mark it so it goes back in. What size was it? It's a
E12.
E12 if you need. Otherwise you'll ruin it. And now Mick's taking the exhaust clampies up here with the certified tool.
Yep. Yeah, for the transmission.
Yeah, so we have to take these little covers off, which have a whole bunch of little
Cables and things like wires that are on the transmission are going to stay with it, I believe.
Oh yeah, we had to take these off just because to get this thing down, they got in the way
Right,
as
okay.
well.
And
Yeah.
that foil heat shielding, is that going to be in the way?
Yeah, you got to take them off to get the bolts for this thing. I remember they're in underneath it,
Ah, shit.
like they're here. Yeah, but that's not too bad. There's only a couple. They're just a little rusty looking. Little 8mm maybe. I'm gonna guess at 8 mil.
Guess 8, grab the 10.
Yeah. Alright, now it's nearly time. We drop the exhaust. So it's just those last clamps. Dilly fell on Mick. Now we're holding the front of the engine up. And at the back, that whole subframe the transmission was in has been removed and it's just hanging. And now we've got the subframe bolts, which is one in that tube there, one in the tube there, which needs a long extension, 22 mil, and then there's one last, yeah, and then these last ones are at the back, and we're going to do them first, get the weight off there, and then there's the ones, we've just kept this one on there, so this whole plate needs to move forwards to come off these here, and we're gonna try and slide it forwards and then lower it down onto these. Good action shot. Found it. Not as long needed. Oh, a little bed. Oh,
Yeah, where do you think I've been sleeping all
my
morning?
Princess Leia over here.
Where do you think I've been sleeping all morning?
Not as exciting as I expected.
You know what I think's exciting?
What's that?
It didn't move.
Yeah, it's not mean. Not as
Didn't move at
exciting.
all. That's a good thing.
Okay.
Right, go around the other side and do the back.
Yeah, yeah,
I will try and keep it all even.
yeah.
Even, Stephen.
Can you like walk over me?
I can.
Quite enjoyable.
You got a good angle at the angle?
Yeah, yeah. I could even do like pan shots. Oh, that
Okay,
was,
now things are moving.
yeah, that lowered at the back. That was what we kind of wanted.
So now, you're my spotter.
Yeah.
You make sure
It's
that...
still got to drop a lot though. Do we want to?
That's it.
Oh,
I think it was just dropping
bit of a
onto...
sack. Yeah.
I think it was just dropping onto the jack.
Yeah.
The camera.
Tick, tick, tick.
Oh, you might not have heard it.
Oh,
That's probably a good thing.
yeah. Not much there. And then the last one.
And then we should be...
Yeah.
I'm worried that it's not.
Not.
What-
Yeah.
what have we
Why
missed?
is it not?
What have we missed?
Not that we've supported it really well.
Break a bar.
Break a bar, yep.
Grab it just from the...
Of course.
I figured there'd be one which I hadn't.
Yeah. Break my bar.
Break a bar. So it's either I hadn't loosened it, or...
It's holding the whole weight of the universe.
Yeah, but the whole car's about to fall apart on it.
Nah, you never touched that one.
I didn't touch
That's
that
a
one.
virgin.
Just because I didn't touch it doesn't make it a virgin.
Yeah.
It's more that I don't think we have to climb under at all.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh! Your epic shot now has an action shot.
Yeah.
How bad did I damage it?
No. Now the engine's out. Just undo all these ones around the transmission. Now we just have to remove this shaft here. So that's that E10